Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I have a new project for you called Smart Cash Capital, okay? And I will show you what it is all about. It's pretty new and actually you can stake your BUSD there, okay? And it's very new. It just started a couple of hours ago, okay? And as you can see, there are already 132 users and total staked amount is 73,149 BUSD. Okay guys, so how does it work? It's actually pretty easy to understand. Okay guys, I can show you the rewards that you will get. Level 1, there are 6 different levels. Okay, from day 1 to day 20 you will get 1%. Level 2, day 21 to 40, 1.5%. Level 3, 41 to 60 days, 2%. And as you can see, there's always an increase of 0.5%. So you will reach the maximum at level 6 after 101 days. And there you will get 3.5%. The interesting fact about this one is here, the unstake fees, okay? So if you would unstake from day 1 to 20, you would have to pay a 30% fee. So actually this would not really make sense because, for example, if you stake this for 15 days, then you get 15% rewards and you unstake and you pay 30, so you would make a loss. So it wouldn't make sense to unstake, okay? And if you deposit, you pay a 10% fee, okay guys? So it would not make any sense at all, yeah, to unstake at this days because the fee is so high, okay? As you can see, the fee gets lower, and after 101 days, the fee is just 5%, okay? So this, I really like this idea because this should somehow make this project more sustainable. But as always guys, you never know, it's crypto and crypto can be crazy, exactly. So you never know what's going to happen, but it's very new and usually it's very good if you're getting those kind of projects at the early stages, okay? The white paper, there's been an audit by George Stamp, overall score 88 from 100. Let me show you guys the summary. This smart contract has been reviewed, blah, 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 and so on, and found no backdoor code. This is good, okay? There is no malicious code that allows the owner or others to withdraw all funds from the smart contract, okay? You can read this in detail if you want to, but it's also interesting that the team is known, okay? Team is well known, loved, and have a ton of projects under their belt. Let me show you guys. So the team already had some other projects and there was never a rug pull. Let me show you. Well, the team behind the project has already released multiple projects individually and as a team. Aside from that, the people behind the project have good track records and have no history of any rugs. Previous project has reached hundreds of thousands and millions in total locked value, maybe even billions, who knows? You can write whatever you want to, but okay, let's trust them. Let's trust them, okay? So let me show you. Yeah, there's also an affiliate link. That means you would get a 3% commission if anyone uses your link, okay? Start staking. It's actually pretty similar like Wealth Mountain, if you know it. There's a video about Wealth Mountain on my channel. For example, you connect your wallet, okay? Then you, type in 200 BUSD, you go to approve and then you stake. That's it guys. So pretty easy to understand, yeah? And you could also calculate here. Let's say, sorry guys, 100 and we stake for, let's say we stake for 400 days. No, that's too much. Let's say we stake for 100 days guys, okay? Initial stake after fees 90 BUSD because there's the 10% fee if you stake, okay? Total dividends earned 270 BUSD. Okay guys, that's it. So pretty easy to understand. And as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show you those kind of projects. Always do your own research before you invest your own money in anything like this, okay guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.